Hey TikTok creators! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off profile view on TikTok. Whether you want to maintain privacy or simply avoid awkward moments, this guide will help you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access your profile. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon, usually your profile picture, in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Turn off profile viewing history. Look for a notification that someone viewed your profile. Tap that notification to access the profile view page. On this page, find the settings icon, usually represented by 3 dots. In the upper right corner, turn the switch next to profile view history to off. Step 3. Confirm and close. Once you turn off profile view, you won't be able to see who has visited your profile. Likewise, others won't know if you visited their profile when this feature is turned off. To complete the process, tap the X icon to close the screen. Thank you for watching AnHome's video.